Teachers, managing your ESL classes and tracking student progress has never been easier. Welcome to the ESLeSchool Teacher Hub. To get started, click Register here on the Teacher Login page. Fill out your details, including the name of your school, to create your free staff account. Inside your teacher dashboard, you can set up classes in seconds. Every class generates a unique join code. Simply share this code with your students. They enter it once on their own dashboards, and they are instantly added to your class list. No spreadsheets required. From then on, you can track their progress at a glance. See exactly how many points your class has earned this week, check individual student levels, and see what percentage of interactive activities they have completed. Combine this powerful tracking with our Teacher Hub projector tools. Launch whole class interactive games like Blockbusters or the Letters game with zero preparation. Save time on planning and make learning engaging. Register your free teacher account at ESLeSchool.com today.